Hello everyone, my name is Vlad Catrinescu and welcome to my course, Configuring and Managing Microsoft 365 Workload Integrations. I am a Microsoft MVP in Office Apps and Services from Montreal, Canada. The number of different applications available in Office 365 has grown significantly over the last years, and administrators need to learn how to manage those new applications inside of their organization. In this course, Office 365 administrators are going to learn how to manage tools such as Microsoft Power Automate, Power Apps, Microsoft Stream, and Yammer inside of their tenant. Some of the major topics that we will cover include managing Yammer, managing Microsoft Stream, managing Microsoft Power Automate and Power Apps, and monitoring workload usage and usage patterns. By the end of this course, you will know the administrative roles that are needed to manage different Office 365 applications in your organization, the tools required, and how to manage them. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of Office 365 from an end-user point of view, as well as be familiar with PowerShell. From here, you should be comfortable diving into other Office 365 administration topics with courses such as Configuring and Managing SharePoint Online, Configuring and Managing OneDrive for Business, and getting started with Microsoft Teams and Office 365 Groups administration. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to manage Office 365 with the Configuring and Managing Microsoft 365 Workload Integrations course at Pluralsight.